Jamaica great rum. We call it another name out there, the raw one, Drankro Bati. You know like what I do so far? Alright, like and subscribe. I'm gonna do something for you. What about that? Yes, do that. Alright. Every time I come to that part, I'm gonna feel sad. Yeah, you can see Neisha that I don't cry face, but I don't want to make up there. Kick. I'm just being hi, welcome. Welcome. You good? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Neisha, and if you're new, welcome as well. Nice to see you. Don't take it to miss Patois day. Alright, today we're gonna take you a bag of something. I'm gonna slap on with that whole heap of fun talking and beer things. But before I go, you watch a previous video before this. You check it out. If you don't check it out, go and go watch it and come back. Me I wait for you. Yeah, me I wait for you. Alright, remember to comment down below. Yes, hit up the like. People watch the video and like. Click up a like. Yeah, lick up the like, man. And if you have not yet subscribed, please to go ahead and subscribe. See the button down below, the red. You can't hide. After you subscribe, click the bell. When you click the bell, you're going to see something in there. But you see all? Other one that you have click. Yeah. So every time I upload a video, you're in the new. And you know I'll come to you. Alright, so with no further ado, me come for school you about some patois, yeah, slang there. Boom. 1, 2. To go into slangs now, remember English, patois. Alright, so you're going to get the sentence in English and you're going to get it in a patois, the slang in a patois. Alright, so if it makes sense, you get to know how it mean in English. Yeah, you get me? You understand what I'm saying? Alright, so the first one. Aye, so nice. What you say? I say aye, so nice. Aye. And for some people, as I said in previous videos, you need to check those out. Expression is key in Jamaica. You want to know the fun thing, and say aye, so nice. What you say? I say aye, so nice. It is a way of expression, alright? It's a way of having a fun time. You are expressing yourself. So you're having a wonderful evening, dining out, or at the club, or at church, wherever you may be. But we know you should have did it, cause aye, so nice. Me say it noise. Aye, so. I don't know why I do my face like that, but I mean, come on. It's real. And when you're talking and the time if you wonder how you look, you make them know say the thing shot and you're so nice. You need to come subscribe because you're so nice. You need to like up the video because you're so nice. Yeah, so I'm expressing. Please like my video, but it is like a tubs of seasoning, like when you get a pinch dashing there, watch us cooking channel and see them a ping ping and a dupes of that and a dupe. Yeah, so you get it now cause yes, so nice. Me not too like man who play, but I don't like quiet guys either. I don't like loud guys. I like what you call those guys, rude boys. They are not criminals, but I like the swagger thing to it. And intellectual is something for me, but why I say that? Because we are come with one gallis. We in Jamaica, and you hear them say, yo man, a gallis. It means them a woolly pop woman, them a womanizer. Yeah, player. A woman over there, so everywhere, pitch pam pam pam. Yeah, you call them gallis. See it there? Gallis, womanizer. Gallis. So we Jamaican, yeah, womanizer. No, yeah, gallis. I don't want you because from a say, I don't say yeah, gallis, and that's all upon your mind. I like it now because you're gallis. But when I go say it, so you're going to say, yeah, me look at me a fool. Yeah, gallis. Go and go sleep. Go sleep. Yeah, you need to go take a nap. Because you're gallis. I'm going to depend on you depend. When you depend, me not depend because you are gallis. He's a womanizer. He's a womanizer. He's a womanizer. Remember that song? Womanizer, womanizer. Yeah. Go look it up. A Britney Spears sing it if you never know about it. My girl just bill na man. Bill man, bill. Just bill. Simple mean chill. Not in the mood for what you're doing now. Chill. Alright? Check me back later. Or you can say, yeah man, chill out and yeah. But we are gonna say just bill na something I talk about your rent, your water, your light, you anything from a bill. It means in Jamaica, so just bill na man, you just bill man. Bill means that take it chill, alright? You're going a bit up, so just chill, chillax, alright? Just chill it out. But we not gonna say that. Just bill now. We are going so. Bill man, just bill. I'm gonna tell us I have a back man, just bill no man. Bill. And we have the little, you know, expression to it. Just bill now. Yeah man, just bill. Alright? So that simple means to chill. Alright? Just bill, just chill. Okay. Or keep calm, remain calm, just cool down. Yeah, we're not bill. Alright? Just bill yourself, man. Don't make me get mad. You know, that's bill. Because right now we're there and talk about, you know, I feel like for lick you with something. So just bill. You see? Just bill. Yeah. Where there what? You like my look? You like my look? I'm just in love with my ear. I don't know why. I love my ear. I love my 4C afro. So in Jamaica, when you tips a little bit of wine or rum, Jamaica great rum, we call it another name out there, the raw one, Drankro Bati.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Drankro Bati. Yeah, Drankro Bati. So, at the raw one that. So, you're feeling a little bit tipsy. I'm feeling tips. We now go, feel tips. No, hey, your frost. Hey, the party. Me frost. You. Me frost. Yeah. When somebody is drunk in Jamaica, yo, you're frost. Hey, frost out last night from the party. Yo, me can't even get for that work. Cause me frost. Yeah. Alright? So, you're tipsy or you're frost? Tipsy or frost? Yeah. When you come to Jamaica, you want to say, me want to get frost. Yeah. Me want to get frost. Tipsy, frost. Yeah. And in Jamaica, they love you people name, you know. It's if it's a rumhead, or every minute you ever you call it a rumhead, you might just get there, rumhead. Yeah, if you love rum. Or if you always a tipsy, frost, them say, yo, frosted, what I want. Hey, frosted, you're good. Subscribe to me, frosted. No, I love you. Please to subscribe. Oh guys, remember to comment down below. Yes, comment down below. Go subscribe. The subscribe button that's right there saying see red button will say subscribe. Yeah, when you lick that, just lick the bell and press all. So every time I upload a video, you're in the new, you see it, and you're right up at the top. Yeah man. So thank you again for helping me to reach 200 subscribers. I'm so thankful. Yeah, just comment and tell me if you like the look. It shrink though, but a whole heap of ear growth, listen to people. A whole heap of ear growth, alright? So, you don't know. Here. You might think after you hear to say, boy, Neisha, is asylum on belong down there. Not exactly so. But when something shatan it a go on with a back or something, you know, you may say, we always say bad, but we have another one always say, you know, mad. No. Hey, me say, when I should have the day at the party last night, me say mad. It mad, me say bounty go on with a back, it mad. Yeah. Me say no, sir. It not for mad, sir. I want go on. Never did it. Me say youth. No, man. You get the point of it now? Say it was awesome. It was an awesome party. Fun party. But we are going to go and remember the expression. It mad. Oh my God. I mean, if I wear me I do, and in the description box me I put it. Yes. anytime. Thanks for making me reach 200. Me hear 300? Do I hear 3? Do I hear 3? Do I hear 4? 4, 5, 5? Yeah. Alright, so go check out the video, of course, and please remember to comment, go in the playlist and watch out the video, them watch them out, watch out. I know all in there now, but more come to own, guess what? Because